So let's pretend you have a high of 42 and it's 6:30 p.m. It's still 41, so pretty hot. And let's say 42 was 107.6 Fahrenheit, so pretty hot. That's outside. Inside 32.7, which is around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So 107 outside, 90 inside. So here's some bottles. Where the bottles were, we have a high of 38. Where the bottles were, we have a high of 38. Well, there's no bottles. We have a high of 42. Plus, of course, we had the blackout curtain shut most of the day. And another curtain. So 2 layers of curtain will help keep the heat out. Helps to put your cold water in a thermos. That way it stays cold a couple hours rather than just, 10 minutes or whatever. And you don't have to continuously open the fridge to get a cold drink.